Hey guys!
What's up, everybody? You already know it's your boy Slim So Foreign, and I got my boy
J-Dog in the back.
And your girl Chrissy.
Hey yo, she's silly, yo. So what y'all think this event gonna be like?
Well, I think it's gonna, like, if I give it to 1 to 5, I'll give it like a 3 because they're okay-ish. So that's how I think.
Okay, what about you, Chrissy?
I think I'm probably gonna see one of them old cars from like the 1960s.
Oh, word?
Cause I wanna get in the old cars. I wanna see if it smells like the 1960s.
What's your favorite car? If you had $1 million right now, what's your first car you buy?
That car that goes do 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 do. It's like
Are
old.
you
It's
serious? What?
It's an old. It's an old car. It's like a really old car, and it got like really old wheels, and it got the little big steering wheel. It's really cool. I seen this man in our neighborhood riding around, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I want one. It was really cool, and I want one of those cars. It went like that, like do 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 do, because it was like really old. So, but you know.
You silly. What about you, J-Dog?
If I was rich and I had to buy a car, I would get like probably Bentley or BMW. Joe, I don't want
me. I want the Lambo. You feel me? Or the Hellcat or a Jeep. You feel me? Like, yeah, I'm gonna be lit, bro. They gonna be boring as hell.
First of all, my car finna be fine because it's old. It's what's it called? It's old.
So you know it's old.
It's old. That's it. It's old. And it's something else, but I forgot the word. But it's old, and it's what's it called? I forgot the word, but it's old, and it's cool. It's old. What's that word when it's old and it's something else? Oh my god.
Old fashioned.
No, it's like
You saying vintage?
yeah, that word is vintage. So like y'all can't even trip on my car because my car finna be fine. Watch when I get old and I get that car, I'm gonna be picking up my kid from school, pick up my kid from school in the old car. All his little friends gonna be like, oh, what's that car? I'm be like, it's the old stuff. You ain't know about this back in the day. You feel me? So I'm finna be like, period.
So let me know who y'all like listening to. Like what's hot right now? Like who y'all like listening to?
Back in the mail, the gum. See, like how I smell cologne.
Y'all silly.
We like the baby. The baby. Oh my gosh, I got it. When I meet him.
So 5 artists right now. 5 artists y'all want to meet.
The Baby, City Girls, A Boogie, Lil Baby. No, you already met him. Like, I want to start over.
NBA Youngboy, Kodak Black, Little, what's that dude's name?
Oh, yeah.
He white.
How you don't know? You want to meet him, but you don't know his name.
Little Sky, something like that. Little Skies and PNB Rock, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Ready? City Girls, The Baby, A Boogie, NBA Youngboy, and my last and final, Nav. He got my heart. He got my heart, bruh.
Alright, for me, it's gonna be Drake, J. Cole, Kendrick, who else? Gucci Man, and Baby.
All them old people.
So yeah, I'm old. What you mean?
Old Town Road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse through the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on.
That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips.
Hey guys.
What's up?
So
Gang, you already know. We here at the car show, little car show. You about to see. Hey, look at the dog right there.
ooh, Jesus. Ooh, boy.
What's up? Are we here?
I mean,
You got scared?
It's scary.
Where? Oh, snap.
Like that, where there's where every aspect of the vehicle is just probably get about that. You know what?
Where the old car go? Right there.
I just tried it out. It's pretty similar.
Such good shape, guys. Yeah, oh, that never really looks that way. In fact, the valleys are great. Always like,
Right up front. Like, look at the inside.
I know.
Oh,
This is the engine of the
yeah.
And I went with like, my boy.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
Top 14 wouldn't enjoy this. It used to be a little bit brighter. It's just been in the sun for 2 years, actually.
How you doing? This your car, right?
Yep.
It's a nice car, man.
My daily driver.
Oh man.
It's got
What's your
100.
name?
It's got 104,000 on it.
What's your name?
Randy.
Brandy. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Good name.
It's the first
Oh, man.
F52 engine tuned by ESS with a supercharger in the US.
Okay.
So it's a one-off.
Oh man.
It's the only one.
It's nice.
And I've
right here.
customized the whole interior. It's got Bluetooth-enabled color shifting headlights,
Yeah.
H&R racing spring kit, Buyer mesh rims,
Okay.
Vortex supercharger.
I like the brakes on it. Like,
Yeah, those are Brembos.
yeah.
This is nice.
And then all the emblems have been customized. The interior has all been done with brushed aluminum.
Oh, man. So how fast it goes?
I don't know how fast. I've had it go to 140 on Route 16 before
Okay.
with the top down.
Wow.
160.
Yeah, the top end's probably around 160 on it, but I've never had it go that fast. Fastest I've had it go is 140. But I street race it once in a while too. I can't help it.
This is nice.
It's a nice car.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's nice.
I drive it every day.
So how long it take you to like figure up?
I'm working on it for 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah, here.
Okay.
These are all custom wraps. If you look like the kick plates are all custom, the whole interior is customized. That's a BMW performance shell. I really haven't been informed.
I can't see it on my phone. I can see the roof.
Oh man, I'm sorry. Sorry. It's okay.
But yeah, it's really low. It's not exactly a city car, put it that way.
Ours is the M4
Oh, okay.
top, and
Yeah, that
I'm
thing
sorry.
Oh, you okay?
Same thing.
Look at the seatbelt.
Oh, this clean.
It's still pretty stiff. It's better than this.
You know, I gotta tell you though, I wish they would have convinced.
Hey guys, it's your girl Chrissy and Lil J Dog. Cause Slim So Foreign is looking at cars right now. But yeah, so we finally at the car show. Yes, I have a shirt on. Okay, so we at the car show. We looking at mad cars. I saw one of these old cars that look really nice. They like from like, you know when they made that movie Grease? That's the time when I saw one of the cars from there. Look at these cars, y'all. Hold up.
Boy.
Look at that car. Got bodies down there. Like y'all. But I mean, look, see that's the old car, guys. See that old car right there? I like that car.
Look at the interior.
Look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh boy, it's so clean and neat. Like, look at it. Some of them are showing their engines out, and like, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not a car person. Like, I don't know nothing about cars like that. But some of these engines be looking kind of sexy, and I'm just like, okay. These engines looking nice and clean. They're looking really good, so I'm just like, okay, breathe. Breathe. Peep the fit today, guys. This is the fit for today.
Peep the fit.
Peep his fit for today. Peep our fits. So this is today's fit. Peeps Lil Slim So Foreign's fit. That's the fit for today.
Look at this face.
She got the white car. Oh, let me go to my old time. Let me go to my old time car, y'all. This is my car right here. If someone got this for me, like married-wise, not like boyfriend-wise, but if someone got this for me, I would love to be friends with her. Like, this car is amazing. Like, look at that inside. Look at that steering wheel and the inside of it, and look at the back, guys. Like, that is fine. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. This engine looking really, really nice. Like, it look like a science machine. So look at these cars, guys. Can't nobody top them.
Somebody come on.
And more people are bringing their cars, they nice little cars, so they showing off today. They really.
Belt line. We bought a belt line. Belt line. Gang gang.
I don't know what that is, but gang gang. But yeah, guys, these people showing off with their cars. They got some go-kart cars too. Look, hold up. You got the go-kart car. This is the go-kart car, so I call it because it's like a go-kart, but it's nice and flat. Look at the inside. Like the inside, it looks like a go-kart straight up, so y'all can't say something. We got a regular car. We got a little regular horse car. You got the Lambo. Look at that. Look at that niceness. Look at that. You got the Rari. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know nothing about cars. Please don't judge me. Like, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know nothing about cars like that. Like, I told you I'm not a car person. So if you hear me like saying wrong things about another car, don't mind that. Just put in the comments. Just put a whole bunch of laughing emojis. Like, what she just said. Because I don't know nothing about cars. It's a go-kart car. Nice. Look at that go-kart car, guys. The old Porsche, guys. Remember when I told you about the old car? This is the old Porsche. You feel me? We like old cars. We don't like the new stuff. We like the old stuff, but we from the new stuff.
Okay, whatever she said. Her block, oval head. Well, I shouldn't be talking. My head looks like an oval too. Look at them rims.
Okay, y'all. Let's not look at the rims, cause
look at those rims. Look at her.
Explain y'all story again.
So, we made a race, right?
She cheated.
No, you cheat. Okay, so the first race, I was supposed to win that because look what happened. So people was in the win, and I was about to win. Like I was like a good minute away from the thing. And basically people was in the side to slow down. He took advantage of me slowing down, and all the people come out and turned and went right past me. That was cheating. So you know what?
How is it cheating when I just zoomed past?
You took advantage of me stopping because people was in the way. You cannot do that. People in the way. If I stop, you stop. Period. Anyways.
No, that's not how it works. It's a race. It's a race. That's not how it works.
Anyway, so the second race I won that because I was like to Slim.
Cause you were even
No. This is what happened. We was right next to each other. But
no,
I was like, all right, next to all right, to Slim, and we was right next to each other. And then I took off. I even gave my extra boost. I did that.
See, what you did?
I did that. I gave my extra boost, and I was gone.
J-Dog, you got anything to say?
She's a cheater,
You're just mad. 'Cause
and I want a rematch.
Alright. Y'all go.
I bet.
Where y'all racing to?
To the end of that.
Again.
Alright.
Hold up. Why this man? I got you. Slim gang.
Go ahead.
Foreign
Gang, gang. Go.
Wait! No, I gotta get my stuff.
Yo. Dustin, look. Christian, look.
Who won that race?
I did.
Me.
I did.
Y'all having fun?
Yeah.
Y'all sound so dead. We at Pond City Market, you already know. We about to go inside, see what it looking like. And yeah, just see what's up. What happened?
I need some perfume.
You need some perfume. Yeah, I do smell like wet dog.
So do I look ugly?
Yeah.
So do I look... Anyways. So guys,
So guys,
we are in this food court place or whatever.
Pond City Market.
What?
Palm City Court.
Palm City Court.
Pond City Market.
Palm City Mall. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, we are here. We hungry, but we not getting food from here because these people got low calorie diets and stuff, and we black, so we want like fat stuff. You feel me? Cause like
Let's go upstairs. We at Pond City Market.
Oh my god. But yeah, guys.
So guys, we're walking up the steps.
Then y'all, coming up these steps is actually pretty
Climbing a mountain.
yeah, cause like when we was coming down, it was not like this. Period. For justice and equality. If y'all would go out there and read that. So I think
She can read.
it was either August or November. When that, like 1944.
What if they all my cookies?
Sorry. Wait a minute. I forgot the year because I wasn't really like looking because I'm hungry, so I was zoning out. So what happened? They fought for justice and equality, and then in November or August, one of those months, and 19 something. It was close though, 19 something. Atlanta finally signed the court for something I forgot, but yeah, that.
Y'all not gonna dance? Yo, you look like an old man. Which one y'all like? Which one y'all like?
Look how beautiful this is.
What's that? What is that?
It's a mirror.
Oh, okay.
Some like old mirror.
Hey, y'all born. They brought the Lambo out, lime green. Okay.
I'm like GTA car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
That's
All
what I be
these.
driving in GTA, boy. I be over there boom booming. Shut up.
Hold on.
Hey y'all, we are back at the car show. They brought some more cars. They brought some new cars out.
What about a black?
They brought some new cars out, and so we about to see what color. Got this car. They got that car. That's an old school car, guys. That's the actual. I think that's one of the cars from the Grease movie, like that. It's not the actual car. But yeah, look, see? You got it.
See the engine?
There's a really nice car there. I think it's the same. I think this is the same. Yeah. seen them cars.
And I am not.
But
I mean,
look,
some people are
guys,
electrical
look how
whizzes.
fine this is. Like, oh my gosh.
Well, unfortunately, I am.
Oh, there you go.
I run a shop and I have to own a shop, so I do.
Do you really?
Yeah. Okay. I do my own work and.
Look at that engine.
The shoemaker.
That's
Really have
clean.
issues because he's working everybody else's shoe.
Yeah.
This has been sitting.
My car for 3 years. Even if I gotta steal it. I'm kidding, guys. Look at them engines, guys. Look at that lime green car. That's the cars in GTA, guys. I be driving that for real. I be driving that car in GTA all the time. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Hey, that doesn't look fine. Sit. Yeah, and I be, see, in GTA, I be adding the extra stuff. You feel me? You feel me? In GTA, I be adding the extra stuff. You see that sexy car? Hey. Hey, him windows tinted like a mug, boy. Them windows is tinted. But anyways, guys, the camera is about to die, and so we will see you back when we get into the car. Alright, let's go.
So what's up, man? You already know. We just love the car show. So what y'all think, man? What's y'all favorite car out there?
Yeah, my favorite car was that old car
My favorite
that
car.
I showed y'all. It was a really cute car, and the engine was bomb. It was really nice. It was an old school, and then we came back. It had a grease car too. So y'all, that car, the old cars was nice. They was all drooling over the new cars. Like, boy, ain't nobody care about them new cars. There gonna be more cars. It's old cars where it's at. Old school.
New school.
No.
Alright, man. So my favorite car was when we came back. My favorite car was a lemon green Lambo. That was my favorite car out of all of them, cause you see, yo, if you would have seen it in person, bro, it's over. I'm telling you.